Hi everybody, my name is Seth K Bani. I am going to show you how to use your portrait pictures, convert them into this AI stunning image. So let's open your browser on PC and then just type in Hugging Face and enter. Click on it, and then once the site opens, guys, I'll begin to show you what exactly it can do. Now you can see it says pricing here, login here as well, solutions. Now you don't even need to sign in as at now that I'm making this video, and I want you to come to Illusions Diffusion. Click on it, and over here it says drop image, and I'll go and release him at this side. I also want to drag the illusion strength, drag it to 2222, that's 2.22. I figured that side really works better. Now once you get it like that, I want you to come here and type in the prompt. The prompt is going to determine how the artwork is going to be like, and so I'm going to type in village scene with beautiful river. Now leave the negative prompt like this, then advanced, just leave it there like that. Click on run. And so guys, you're going to wait a little bit. I'm going to show you how it looks like, but I can guarantee you it's going to be stunning. Alright guys, so this is it. Now guys, this is also the thing. Even though you don't need to sign in to do this and stuff like that, you can also download it at high quality. As at now, when you download it, the file size is not just a few kilobytes. So you can click on this side and then you can see it's downloading. I'm going to save it here, and then let's go and check the file size. It's a megabyte. I can guarantee you it is more than 1 megabyte. So I'll go to this is it. I'll click on it and can see 1.38 megabyte. Guys, this is awesome. Now one recommendation, so this is it. I always advise that you keep your document size a square size. Now this is not square size. Alright, so now if you love this video, hit the bell icon and subscribe to this channel. I love you all guys. See you in the next video. Now if you're watching my video, I want you to scroll down and click on more, and then this is the link. I want you to click on it. You're going to have access